I hear weird noises coming from the house. You hear that meowing? I'm like, what's going on? There's a cat in my sink. There's a Silver in my sink. Silver, anything to say for yourself? Yeah. Why do you like the sink so much? There's dirty dishes in here. You're a turd. You're a turd and a goofball. Kitty, 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 kitty. I don't care that there's dirty dishes and oh god, no one wants to see that. I don't care that there's dirty dishes in the sink. I just want to rub all over it. I'll clean it tomorrow because Mom thinks it's unsanitary that the cat's in the sink. And I hid the sponge, it's usually in that container, but I hid it behind the soap, as you can see, because someone likes to eat sponges. You weirdo.